Good morning, children. In the previous video, we learned adjectives. What are adjectives? Adjectives are describing words. They tell us what kind of, how many, how much, what color of persons, place, animals, and things. So, what are degree of adjectives? Normal body temperature, we say 97.6 to 99.6. When it becomes 100.4 degree Fahrenheit, we consider it as fever. Above 104 degree or more is very high fever. Here degree means level. Here the level of temperature increased. Like that, when we praise or say bad words about people, we use different level of adjectives. Actually, increasing the level of adjectives. Now see, I have given some words of adjectives. Rich, fat, poor, intelligent, beautiful. These words are adjectives. Now we have to increase the level of it or degree of it. Actually, there are 3 degree of adjectives: positive, comparative, and superlative degree. Positive degree, we use the positive degree of an adjective when we are not making any comparison. So this degree is used with one person or things only. We use comparative degree of an adjective when we are comparing two persons or things or two groups of persons or things. We use superlative degree of an adjective when we are comparing more than two persons or things. First one is rich. This is positive degree. There is no comparison in this. We can see the example. Sita is rich. There is no comparison. Next it is comparative degree. There are comparing two persons or things. Rita is richer than Sita. In positive degree it was rich. Here ER we added richer. So in comparative degree we add the suffix of ER. In superlative degree richest, EST added with rich. And the example, Mala is richest of all. Here comparison of more than two persons. We put ER or EST in comparative and superlative degree. Like this way, we can make fat and poor also. Fat, fatter, fattest. Poor, poorer, poorest. But this condition will not be there for all. Here we added ER and EST for one syllable word. Rich, fat, poor, like that. Here the word intelligent. Intelligent is not one syllable word, intelligent. So when two or more syllable is there we are using more or most. For example, Manu is intelligent. Javed is more intelligent than Manu. Arif is the most intelligent among them. Okay, more examples. Suresh is fat. Mohan is fatter than Suresh. Madhav is the fattest of the three. Example of more than two syllable word. Example, Rima is beautiful. Radha is more beautiful than Rima. Siddhi is the most beautiful of all. Some adjectives do not follow all these rules, so we have to remember their comparative and superlative degree. Here, bad, worse, worst. far, farther, farthest. In two ways, farther, farthest. Here, farther and farthest is convey the idea of distance, and further and furthest that of position. Good, better, best. Little, less, least. Many or much, both are having more as comparative and most as superlative. Old, older, oldest. Old, sometimes it will become elder, eldest. We will recall all: no comparison, then positive degree, comparing two things, comparative degree, comparing more than two things, superlative degree, then often used with comparative degree, the often used with superlative degree. We will learn correct uses of adjective. First, some and any. Some is used in affirmative sentences. Affirmative means positive. Positive sentences. Any in negative sentences. Example, I have already purchased some books. This is the positive sentence. I have not purchased any books. This is the negative sentence. Now we will see what about interrogative sentence? In interrogative sentences, we use some, if any, if an affirmative answer is expected, and any if a negative answer is expected. Do you have some money? Here the answer will be yes, I have. Do you have any help? No, I don't have. Now see these examples. Fill in the blanks with some or any. First one, we are sending dash medicines and clothes for the earthquake victims. Here this is a positive sentence, so the answer is some. We are sending some medicines and clothes for the earthquake victims. Now next question. There aren't dash leaves left on the tree. This is a negative one, so answer is there aren't any leaves left on the tree. Next one. May I have dash hot coffee please? Answer is may I have some hot coffee please. Now the last, we have dash pencils but we don't have dash pens. So first is positive and second part negative. So here we have some pencils but we don't have any pens. Next, much, many. Much means a large quantity of. It is used with uncountables. Example, much ink, much sorrow. Many means a large number of. It is used with the plurals of countables. Example, many books, many years. Fill in the blanks with much or many. First blank, how dash kilograms of rice did you buy? Much or many? We learned that much is with the uncountables and many is with the countables. So kilograms of rice we can count. So the answer is how many kilograms of rice did you buy? Now next, how dash did the rice cost you? Here rice we cannot count. So the answer will be how much did the rice cost you? Now third blank, Did you require dash bags to carry the rice? Here bags is countable. So here the answer is, did you require many bags to carry the rice? We use little with uncountables, few with countables. Here we will see little, a little, the little. Little means almost none, nothing is there. A little means at least some. The little means the whole, though very little. Example, I have little money, I cannot buy chocolates for you. Here, I have little money, no money. And next one, I have a little money, I can afford to buy a bar of chocolate with it. Here, a little means some, at least some. So, he could, I could buy a bar of chocolate. Now next, I bought a bar of chocolate with the little money I had. Here, the little means the whole, though very little. Now few, a few, the few. Few means not many, in fact almost none. A few means at least some. The few means all of them, though very few. Example, few friends visit me, so I am often lonely. Not many, almost none, none was there. Sometimes a few friends visit me and we have a nice time. A few friends, at least some. The few friends I have visit me very rarely. All of them, though very few. Fill in the blanks with little, a little, the little, few, a few, the few. First one, first blank, there is dash honey left in this bottle. Here, honey is uncountable. So the answer is, there is little honey left in this box. Second blank, there are still dash tickets available for the show. Here tickets are countable. So the answer is, there are still a few tickets available for the show. Next question, next blank. We will be staying at Kulu for dash days. The answer is, we will be staying at Kulu for the few days. Now not that much days are left, but the rest of the days we will stay there, though very few days are there. Now fourth blank, may I have dash more milk please. Here milk is uncountable. So the answer is, may I have a little more milk please. Now next, elder, eldest. Elder and eldest are used with close family relations like daughters, sons, sisters, brothers, etc. For example, my eldest brother has won the best athletes awards. Elder is not followed by than. So if we have to use than, then we must use the word older instead of elder. For example, Suji is older than Vantu. Older and oldest denote age, can be used with both persons and things. Example, Neeraj is older than Pankaj. Mohan is the oldest person in our colony. Next, later, latter, latest, last. Later and latest denotes time. Latter and last denote position. For example, we shall be going to the hills in the later part of April. Next example, what is the latest news? Neena and Anand entered the finals. The latter won the match. Here, the latter denotes the second person, Anand. Next, she prefers to sit on the last bench. Nearest, next. Nearest denotes distance. Next denotes position. Example, who lives nearest to the school? Her house is next to mine. Some adjectives represent the highest degree. They cannot be used in the comparative or superlative degree. Important adjectives of this kind are complete, perfect, unique, full, ideal. We cannot have anything more complete or most complete. Similarly, we cannot think of anything more perfect or most perfect. And we can say like this was a unique plan. But we cannot use this is a most unique plan. That is wrong. So, no comparative or superlative degree for these adjectives: complete, perfect, unique, full, ideal. Now there is homework for you. Fill in the blanks with correct degree of adjectives given in the brackets. First one, she is dash than her sister. Pretty. Here the answer will be prettier. Okay, now rest all you have to do. Martha is a dash girl in bracket nice. Third one, Supriya is the most intelligent girl in the class in bracket intelligent. Oh, here answer is already given. Now next one, fourth one, Martha speaks English dash than her sister. Well, Russia is the dash country in the world. Big. Sixth one, China is a dash country. Big. Seventh, China is dash than India. In bracket big. Eighth one, this is the dash book I have ever read. In bracket interesting. Ninth blank, I am dash than you. In bracket smart. 10th one, take the dash of the two roots. In bracket short. We have learnt degree of adjectives. This is the last portion before the summer vacation. And there will be vacation homework for you on Flint, and you will write that in a piece of paper and you will upload it on Flint. Enjoy your vacation. Bye.